Hello everyone, let us find a solution to this simple trigonometric equation. We're asked to solve the equation sec²x plus tan²x equal to 3, where our angle lies between 0 to 360 degrees. Let's get started. Let's start with a simple identity. Remember that sin²x plus cosine²x is equal to 1, right? Let's divide every single term by cosine. Remember that sine divided by cosine will give us tangent. So if you divide sin²x by cosine²x, you're going to get tangent²x. Divide cosine²x by cosine²x, you get 1. 1 divided by cosine²x will give us secant²x, which implies that this secant²x can now be replaced with tangent²x plus 1. So from this implies that tangent²x plus 1 for this one, then plus the other tangent²x will be equal to 3. Tangent²x plus tangent²x will give us what? 2 tangent²x equal to, if 1 crosses over, it becomes negative 3 minus 1 is 2. You divide both sides by 2, you have tangent²x is equal to 1. Take square root of both sides, it implies that tangent(x) will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 1, which is still 1. So it implies that tangent(x) can be equal to 1 or tangent(x) equals negative 1. So where is tangent equal to 1 and where is tangent equal to negative 1? Our unit cycle will help. Remember, we are looking for the solution from 0 to 360 degrees. Tangent is positive in the first and the third quadrants. So this to this. In the first quadrant, tangent of what angle is 1? 45 degrees. So we have 45 degrees here. If you come here, it will be 45 more than 180, which is going to give us 225. 225. Then for this one, tangent of what angle is negative 1? It must be in the second and fourth quadrants. So in the second quadrant, it will be 45 less than 180, which is going to give us what? 135, I think so. 135. Then what about here? It will be 45 less than 360, which is going to give us 315 degrees. So we have this and this for this one, then this and this for that one, from 0 to 360. But let me list them in ascending order. So therefore, for these two equations, the values of x will be 45 degrees, 135 degrees, 225 degrees, and lastly 315 degrees. And hence, these are the values of x that can satisfy this equation from 0 to 360 degrees. Simple as that.